What is up, guys? Outlaw Garage here. I'm gonna do something that I've been delaying for the longest time, and that is my shackle kit on the OBS. As you see, it's raining and I need to get the car at least under the carport, the ass end at least, to get it done. This is the bench seat I got for the truck. Also, I showed in the last video, I think. Anywho, so while you guys are watching those, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and get it taken care of. What's going on, Outlaw family? So today we're going to be doing a install on this Maxtrac suspension shackle kit. Let's get it out the box. We got the two shackles. I already got the bushings inside of them, and there are my grease fittings that goes in your little hole, so I can grease these up so they can stay all lubricated and nice and tight. So with this kit, they give out ride height sheet so you can see if it's any improvement or not. Let me get this up here. As you see, put your year, make, and model. You can send this to them, I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah, it says the sheet must be filled out prior to calling any discrepancies. So I guess we'll go ahead and fill this sheet out. I'm gonna fill it out and I'll just bring you guys right back. Okay, so I got the sheet filled out. The year 1994 GMC C1500 two-wheel drive. So the front side was 26 inches and 5/8 on the driver's side. On the rear it was 29 inches even. The passenger side was 27 inches, and the rear passenger side was 28 and 5/8, which it should be 29 also, because as you can see, that tire right there is a little bit low. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. First thing we're gonna do is bring out all our safety equipment, which is my wheel chocks. If nobody stole them, I don't see them, so they probably got stolen. Fuck. Let me look for all my stuff. I'm finding my wheel chocks and my jack stands. Two of them are in a Jaguar. So let me find my stuff real quick, guys. Another cool thing about this kit is to give you all the instructions on everything you need to do as you're doing it. So first thing first, what you want to do is jack up the rear, and the rear can support the frames with jack stands. I think I have 2 jack stands good enough to do that. I might pull the tires off just to have more clearance, and I gotta bleed the brakes anyway. See what's going on with that. Anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and jack it up and put those jack stands up under the rail. Just the rail, right? I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's get up under here. Okay, first thing first is we're gonna jack up the ass hand and put it on jack stands up under the axle, which will hold it in place. What? But actually, the first thing I'm gonna do is take off this towing hook. I'm gonna do that first, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the rest of it. Got the truck jacked in there. Got the jack stands under the axle. This tire's still loose. I thought I'd tighten it up. I didn't. Anyhow, finna go ahead and take these 2 bolts right here off, and that's where the Maxtrac suspension will go. Let's get it. Huh? You like? Whoa. The only thing I'm unsure of is, am I supposed to put it in this hole or this hole to make it 2-inch drop? We'll see. I'll look at it real quick. Okay, big shout out to Honey Badger OBS. I just watched what he did on his video, and he put it at the top. This top hole right here, and it should drop it down at least 2 inches. So we're gonna get that. We're gonna get one out, then we're gonna put it in, and we'll go from there. Bring you guys back in a second when I got that one in. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know now that that ain't no hoe. And it's just 2 bolts, but that ain't no hoe. And if you do have your trailer hitch still on, you are going to have to take it out. But here it is. It's installed. Well, can you see it? Yeah, you can't really see it, but there it is, right there. I guess I got this side on. I go ahead and do the other side, and we're gonna put it on the ground. See how low it got. Probably just leveled it out some, really. Okay, guys, here it is. Let me go ahead and let the seat down. I mean, not the seat, the truck down. We're gonna see if we get any lower. So I really can't tell because I'm on a slant, but it looked like it leveled it out much more. Yeah, it looked lower. Now I actually did take some measurements a while ago. You should have seen it in the clips that I played earlier. Let's see if I could actually find any paper. There it is. Alright, the passenger rear was 28. Let me see if I can find a tape measure and see how low we're sitting now. It should be at least 26 now. It's 2 inches down. Let me see if I can find a tape measure and I'll bring you guys right back. Man, I cannot find a tape measure, but I will upload the difference on Instagram. Shoot a picture. If you follow me on Instagram, you know where to go. But yeah, this is what it was at. The front, rear. I might do some springs on the front. But yeah. Once I get it on lower, even ground, I'll be able to tell how it actually looks. And if it's low, it looks lower than what it was. You can't see, but it looks lower than what it was, and I will absolutely update you guys on how it looked and whatnot. But thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You stay to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Oh, big news, I might have a sponsor. Odd, huh? Yeah, I'll explain when the kit comes in, where they send me, and I'll let you guys know how you can get a sponsor also. Yeah, but thank you guys. See you on the next video.